So the drone on my eBay catback exhaust with old mufflers that are blown out is deafening on the highway. 3,000, just below 3,000 RPM. It goes right through your skull and makes you want to just poke your ears out. I actually have been wearing noise canceling headphones when I've been driving to the track. So, as you can see here, I've got these are motorcycle exhaust decibel killers. I'll put the link to Amazon in the description. Very cheap and are supposed to be a good fix. Now, they slide right in, but there's an adjustment. So this top bolt here adjusts a little plate, which you can slide down, closing off the opening, or you can remove it altogether. But we're gonna leave it on the tallest one and go from there. Now there's also a screw down here that sticks out and will just lock it into place. But a lot of guys do find that these kind of fall out on the when you're really getting up it. So I think it's something we're gonna check, and it might be worth putting a little bit of high temp Loctite on it, because hey, it's not exactly the most sturdy screw and it's only tapped in this thin bit of tin. So a little bit of yeah, some Loctite might help that a lot. So let's see how hard they are to fit, but I'm pretty sure they're easy. So I'm about 1 meter from the exhaust. This is without them in. I've taken the car out for a drive, so it's actually quite warm, so it won't be super loud, but we'll just rev it up to about 4,000 RPM. But here's the startup. And then we bring it up to 4,000. Okay, I've got some thread locker. I don't know if this is one that holds with heat, but it's the only one I got, so we'll put it on. Put a little bit on the threads here. And put it into the hole here, where it's going to lock in. Okay, let's just get started. Now we'll line it up and pop it in. So I guess it's going to be easiest to have to hide the bolt at the top. Now you could tap that in, but I want to probably be able to remove this, so I'm not going to go in too far with it. I want to make sure I can have a bit there I can grab hold, and there's plenty there that can bite into. So just an Allen key. It's a 5 mil on this one, and we'll just snug that up. Definitely not going to take much to get it snug, and we're not going to want to strip it, because like I said, it's just in the thin tin. That's it. I think we'll leave it at that before we get overzealous. All right, we'll put the other one in and we'll fire it up. Okay, I got both of them in there. I mean, you can see the screw, but that's all right. They're just snug, so that it's like it's a grub screw that holds it. Yeah, so what we'll do, I'll step back again. I'm about the same distance away and start it up. Definitely a change in the note there. All right, give it a rev. that sounds different. It's got more of like a raspiness to it, which is good, I think. What the biggest difference is that drone. I know it doesn't come on the phone very well, but it's that just as you're gaining through the rev range, the drone, even just sitting here, is so much louder. And now it's pretty much cut. So easy to take out too if I want to really get it louder. But if you have a track, a lot of the tracks that need a lower decibel reading, well, that's your fix right there. Get a set of them. That really drops the sound down quite a bit. So there you go. If you liked it, like the video. It helps other people find it. And subscribe if you want to see more stuff. We do more stuff with the Porsche and with some of our other cars as well. We do a few cars we work on. But now we have a track day coming up, so that'll keep us under the noise limit.